Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to crop a circle in Photoshop Element. Let's begin. First of all, open your Photoshop, then open your new file. Yes. Selected any image. Then click the background. Right click. Convert to smart object. Again right click. Raster as layer. Select the selection. Right click. Click elliptical marquee tool and hold shift. Click and drag on your mouse. Select the move tool and click again selection tool, then move, then crop layer mask. Right click, convert to smart object, again right click, rasterize layer. Now we can see this crop a circle. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.